In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a fun Sora video prompt from Google. We'll walk through a quick, clear process to get from a blank browser to submitting a creative prompt in Sora. I'll keep it simple, explain what's happening at each step, and share a few tips so you feel confident as you go. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Starting on Google is helpful because it ensures you find the most up-to-date and official Sora page without memorizing any links. Make sure your internet connection is stable and consider closing extra tabs so everything loads smoothly. Next, click into the Google search bar and type the word Sora, then run the search. We're aiming to reach the official Sora website. Using a straightforward search term keeps things clean and avoids sending you down unnecessary rabbit holes. When the results appear, click on the Sora website. You should land on a page that clearly focuses on creating videos from text prompts. If you see multiple results, choose the one that looks official and professional. Once you're on the page, take a beat to scan the interface so you know where to enter your prompt and where the Submit or Generate button is located. Now you'll create your prompt. Good prompts tell Sora what to show, how it should feel, and any stylistic touches that anchor the scene. For this walkthrough, we'll use a vivid example that includes action, scale, and camera perspective. Type in the following prompt exactly as written. A chaotic dashcam clip where a tiny brave dog chases a giant roaring dinosaur down a suburban street, sending it fleeing in panic as the driver mutters in disbelief. This prompt works well because it specifies the camera style, the characters, the setting, and even the tone, which helps Sora produce a coherent and entertaining result. Once your prompt is in place, click Submit. After submitting, the system starts processing your request based on the details you provided. Generation times can vary, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page while it works. If the interface shows a progress indicator or status message, keep an eye on it so you know when the result is ready. That's the entire process. You went from Google to the Sora site to entering a precise, descriptive prompt and finally submitted it for generation. If you want to try more ideas later, remember that clear camera cues, strong verbs, and specific settings often lead to the best outcomes. Thanks for following along, and enjoy bringing your imaginative scenes to life with Sora.